It's officially the holiday season, and you know what that means. Gift buying panic. But listen, the best gift isn't the most expensive gift, it's the gift that actually fits the person. So today, we're doing a holiday e-bike buying guide, breaking everything down by category from budget commuters to folding e-bikes to lightweight fun. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to get, whether it's for someone you love or for yourself. And I'll be throwing current holiday pricing on screen, so don't wait too long because these deals won't last. Alright, let's get into it. If you're looking for a simple, affordable entry point, the Gotrax Z4 Lite is exactly that. This is for first-time riders, teens, short commutes, or just cruising the neighborhood. It's lightweight, easy to store, low maintenance, and honestly, it doesn't feel like a toy, which is huge at this price point. You charge it, hop on, and it just works. It's the perfect first e-bike. Now, if you like the Z4 Lite but want a little bit more punch, that's where the Z4 Pro comes in. You get better power, slightly longer range, and more confidence on small hills. Still beginner friendly, still affordable, but it feels more grown up. This is the one I'd recommend if you're buying for an adult commuter instead of a teenager. This thing is just fun. The Jackrabbit XG Pro is an ultra lightweight, minimal, and stupidly easy to carry bike. No pedal, no clutter, just twist and go. This is perfect for college campuses, RV travelers, apartment dwellers, or someone who wants something small that they can literally throw in a trunk. It's not about speed or range, it's about convenience. The Gotrax Ranger is a relaxed cruiser. It's comfortable, easy to ride, and feels very approachable. This is the bike you buy for casual riders, older riders, or anyone who values comfort over speed. It's low stress, easy handling, and very gift friendly. Now, if the Ranger is chill, the Rambo is its tougher cousin. This one feels more solid, more durable, better for heavier riders. It still keeps that comfort first approach, but with more of a confidence boost. Great daily rider if you don't want something aggressive. If you want clean, stealthy, and lightweight, the Roadster V3 is a banger. This thing looks like a regular bike, but don't let that fool you. It's fast, nimble, easy to carry upstairs, and extremely low maintenance. It's perfect for city riders who don't want a bulky e-bike and just want to get to work without showing up sweaty. The Cycrown Roma punches way above the standard quality. You get fat tires, a strong motor, and a comfortable riding position, and it's great for riders who want stability, light off-roading, or just a confident planted bike. It's honestly just an impressive piece of technology. Lectric did what Lectric does best, refine an already great formula. The XP 4.0 is compact, foldable, powerful, and easy to live with. It works for commuters, RV owners, apartment dwellers, pretty much everyone. One of the safest holiday picks you could make. Now this is for people who want to replace a car. The Expedition is a cargo beast. You can carry kids, haul groceries, load gear, commute daily. It's stable, powerful, and incredibly versatile. If someone on your list has a busy lifestyle, this is a game changer. Now this is where the Gotrax Mustang shines. It's the perfect blend of everyday commuting and fun cruising. Think of it as a bike that you'll actually use every day, not just on weekends. It's easy to hop on, intuitive to ride, and fun enough to make your daily commute feel like a joyride. Honestly, if you want something that's comfortable, capable, and easy for most anyone to ride, the Mustang is a standout pick in that category. It's a perfect gift if you're not sure what to get because everyone loves this one. If you want rugged, the XP 2.0 delivers. It's got fat tires, a strong motor, and confidence on dirt, gravel, snow, or on rough pavement. This is for riders who don't want to stay on the perfect bike paths. It feels adventurous without being overwhelming. So that's the list. From lightweight fun rides to commuters to full-on utility machines, there's something here for every type of rider. Remember, the best gift isn't the most expensive, it's the one they'll actually use. All the links, holiday deals, and discounts are in the description below, and these prices won't last for long. Most of these will ship on time for Christmas if you hurry quick. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and ride safe.